Hi, my name's Anna Matisich, and today I want to evaluate the question, bacteria in your food, bold innovation or a recipe for disaster. So how do you feel about farmers adding bacteria and viruses to your food? But follow-up question, what if it's already there? The microbiome is made up of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that interact with the plant. And actually, the number of microbiome cells is greater than the number of plant cells, so much so that the microbiome is an extension of the plant's genome. Three components of the plant microbiome consist of the phyllosphere, which is the surfaces above ground, the endosphere, which is inside of the plant tissue, and the rhizosphere, which is the soil around the roots. The rhizosphere is the most highly developed as it can draw from more microorganisms than any of the other places by taking these different microbes from the bulk soil around it. The microbiome can help with the growth and the maintenance of agricultural crops by helping with the acquisition of nutrients, the reduction of plant stress, the suppression of plant diseases, and by remediating the contaminants in the environment. Plants are able to control which microbes they're interacting with by their immune system, which can help differentiate which ones are going to be helpful and which ones are going to be harmful. Plants have different ways of promoting their microbiome. For instance, the development of the rhizosphere microbiome appears to be shaped by the selection amongst the microorganisms and interactions with the host plant. When you look at the hormone salicylic acid, it's required to make the normal root microbiome and modulate the colonization of the root by specific bacteria. And again, the plant's immune system can help differentiate harmful from helpful microbes. So why would they do this? The microbiome helps to make the plant stronger. So can we harness this to make our food better? With the upcoming issues of climate change, increased global food demand, nutrients, depletion of fields, and contaminated soil and water, farmers are needing new sustainable solutions to some of these issues. Some of these main concerns are drought, disease, and nutrients availability. So how can we use the microbiome to help with these issues? The microbiome is shown to help the plant under drought stress by making the plant more resistant to dehydration and tolerant to drought. A plant hormone called abscisic acid inhibits the plant's immune system, which is utilized in drought conditions to allow a large shift in the community found in the roots to help benefit the plant. The microbiome uses biocontrol to control diseases. An example of this is the use of bacteriophage to fight bacterial infections and the crops instead of using antibiotics. While bacterial pathogens are more likely to adapt to withstand antibiotics, using a mix of these bacteriophage can make it less likely for this resistance to grow. Finally, the microbiome can use biofertilization to control the availability and acquisition of nutrients. The most commonly known example of this is the nitrogen-fixing bacteria. However, the microbiome can help with many different types of necessary nutrients. Additionally, it can also use bioinoculation, which helps increase the productivity of these plants. So should we be using these natural microbial systems to enhance food security? Would the public be receptive to adding bacteria into our crops? Could these solutions be implemented into agricultural systems worldwide? What do you think? To further evaluate these issues, check out these awesome references. Thank you so much for listening.